Hi everyone, Andrew at Johnson RV here. Today I'm going to show you this 2018 Forest River Forester 3051. Real neat coach. We'll start by going around the outside. As you can see, this is a full body paint. It's a nice blue color. You have side view cameras here. This is your propane tank as well as your fill right here. You come up, we have a nice awning, almost the full length of the coach, gives you a nice outdoor living space, as well as speakers on the awning that kind of project down into your campsite instead of away from you. You can actually hear the music where you're hanging out. Have a little bit of storage here. This coach is solar ready, so you can plug in right there. A little more storage. Your hot water heater, fridge access, and outdoor 110 power, as well as your TV hookup, so you can hook up a TV outside here as well. Now moving back, we have another pretty good sized storage space, and then here at the back we have a large one that is passed through to the other side as well. Coming around the back, we have a ladder for roof maintenance. This has a 7,500 pound hitch on it. Your backup camera, nice large window in the back. Back here we're going to have your TV hookup and your shore power. This is the other side of that pass-through storage that we looked at. Your utility center here. Another long storage area underneath this full wall slide. And this is kind of a neat feature. There's your garbage can that goes easy to deal with, then it's right inside in the kitchen. You have another storage area there, and then your Awning 4,000 watt generator there, and obviously we have side view cameras on both sides. There it is. So that's the outside. Why don't you come inside and we'll take a look. Hi everyone, Andrew again at Johnson RV. Now we're inside this 2018 Forest River Forester 3051. Kind of show you around here. We have the overhead bunk, has a 440 pound capacity, as well as your TV that comes out here. These bunks are also kind of neat because, as well as coming with a ladder so the little ones can get up there easier, it has this net that you can hook on so that they can't roll out of bed, wake up to a big thud in the middle of the night. Over here we have the dinette. Above the dinette there's some good overhead storage. This dinette will convert down into a sleeping space just by lowering the table. Then coming into the kitchen, we have nice flip-up counter space to give yourself additional prep area. We have a double stainless steel sink, nice and deep. Has these nice covers on it. Again, it kind of preserves your prep space, which can be limited inside an RV. Nice high-rise faucet. And this is the garbage can that I showed you the access on the outside for. Have lots of drawers for storage, as well as a very large area underneath the kitchen sink. You have your Furrion oven and 3-burner cooktop with a built-in backsplash. Have a microwave, a very deep microwave. It says larger than ever, actually. We'll come back here into the bathroom. Nice vanity storage behind the mirrors here. Lots of bathroom counter space, especially with the sink cover that comes off. Storage underneath as well. This also comes with a hamper. A nice place to have a nice place to put your clothes, especially if your kids leave them all over the place like mine do. Storage on either side of this queen size bed. It's a walk around queen, which we get in this coach because it has the full wall slide, and then there's a little kind of nightstand space on this side as well with some storage underneath. Nice wardrobe space on either side of the TV back here, as well as some shelving underneath. This does have a privacy shade to close off the bathroom from the bedroom. There's the toilet shower combo. And then another divider to close off this area. We'll Come kind of back into the other side of the kitchen. Here is nice integrated pantry space. You have your 4-door fridge freezer combo. Has a separate fridge and 2 separate doors up here, as well as an ice maker, which is nice. This unit does have Forest River's My RV controls, so you can control the motorhome all from right here, which is a nice feature, as well as stabilizing jacks. So if you have any questions about this, again, 2018 Forest River Forester 3051, please give us a call, or questions about any other coach that we have on our lot. Our number is 503-668-5400, and again, my name is Andrew. Thanks for watching.